today's modern and busy lifestyle, many people are becoming interested in home gardening as a way to create a healthier and greener living environment. Inconsistent watering and lack of real-time monitoring can cause plants to become unhealthy, leading to dry soil, damaged root, and poor plant growth. On the other hand, excessive watering may also result in unnecessary water wastage and reduce plant fertility.
Next is our project objective. The first objective is to develop an IoT-based system that monitors soil moisture in real time using sensor. Second is to integrate weather forecast for smarter watering decision and prevention of unnecessary watering. Third is to provide alert notification. Also next is to help user manage plant care more efficiently. Lastly, to promote sustainable and user-friendly gardening for beginner.
Therefore, we propose Smart AgroWatering as the ideal solution. It is an IoT-based system that is made for beginners and home gardeners. It is an efficient app that provides effortless and data-driven gardening. Its main features include real-time soil moisture monitoring through sensors. Then we have the weather integration feature, which retrieves forecasts from Weather API to avoid unnecessary watering. Then we have the in-app notifications, which will alert users. Then we have the plant profiles, which is used to record details like plant name, photo, scientific name, ideal moisture, and fertilizer information. Lastly, we have the gardening tips search feature, which allows users to search for videos, articles, and AI summaries using APIs.
This is the splash screen of Smart AgroWatering application. Here contain two buttons, which is login page and register page. This is demonstration for the admin. The admin can click on the login page button, click on the login as admin. After that, they can enter their email and password. After login, they will be redirected to the admin dashboard that contain the visualization of bar chart of the total users and total plants. Here, admin can see how many users and admin registered to this application and how many plants are added to this application. Next is user management page. Here contain two features, which is registered users and generate report. For the registered users feature, admin can see the list of the registered users by their username, email, and role. The next feature is admin can add another admin by click on the admin button. Then they can register for another admin by entering the email and set the password for the other admin. Next feature is the generate report. They can generate report of the registered user by click on the download CSV button. Then the option appear for the admin either to save into their device or share to the other application. Lastly, admin profile page. Here are allowed to manage their profile and change the password. For manage profile, the admin can change the profile picture, username, and gender. After done updating the information, they can click on the Save Change button. Next, if the admin want to change the password, they can click on the Password and Security section. Here, they can enter the current password and the new password. That's all for the admin. This is the demonstration for the user. For the first-time user, they can click on the Register Page button. Once they are done, they can click on the Login button to continue login to this application by entering the email and password.
This is the main page for Smart AgroWatering system. Here's have the weather card where user can see the current weather, hourly forecast, and also daily forecast. So go to the profile page. User can click the add device to add device. Here's user can follow the instruction to connect to the Arduino Wi-Fi. User can insert the device name, Wi-Fi as SDI, and also Wi-Fi password. Wait for a while for the system to configure and the message pop up. So when the user click the manage device, here's the listed device. User can see the information about the device and also edit the Wi-Fi credential. So go back to the main page. Here's are the two plants that I already added before. So this is the plant information page. Have the plant name, nickname, scientific name, and also the real-time moisture. The real-time moisture comes from the sensor. So in this page, you got the detailed information about the plant. Also have the smart recommendation that use AI to give user the recommendation. In this page also have information about when the user last watered the plants, also the sensor status and the moisture trend, which is the history. When user click the mark as water, the system will record when the user last watered the plants. Also same for the other plants. I also have the real-time moisture, smart foundation, last water, sensor status, and also moisture trend. So here we're going to see how the system actually track the real-time moisture. So this is the example for this plant. Get the product ready with source power and put the sensor into the soil, and then user can water the plants and wait for a while. The moisture will be updated in the real time. This app also comes with alert notification that will alert users to water their plants if the plants in the low level moisture condition.
So now we'll talk about the plant management module. So this module stores all data related to the plants. So now let's add a new plant to this module. So by clicking the Add Plant button, it will take us to the plant information form. So the special feature of this module is that when a user takes a photo or uploads an image of their plant, the AI will automatically identify the plant and fill in all the necessary details. So I will do an example. And then cropping the plant. And now the AI will autofill all three of the fields, which is plant name, scientific name, and nickname. Then ideal moisture can be filled in by the user. So the user can select the plant type and which sensor it will be using. Once done, click submit. So now the plant has been successfully added to the plant management module. So now I'll show the next feature, which is the fertilizer information form. So by clicking on the plant, scroll down to the bottom, and there is a fertilizer pass schedule section here. So now I'll click the add fertilizer button and then type in the fertilizer name, the fertilizer type, the amount, and just have to click save record. Now the record has been successfully added. So that is all for the plant management module. So now we'll talk about
The next page is Explore page. First of all, user need to insert any keywords. Then it will show the result. As you can see, we have 3 different tabs, which are all images and videos. So then we can see the result of the image. It can be scrolled down and up again. So the videos tab also display the result of the inserted keyword. Then I insert another keyword to display the AI summary. We use Gemini API to generate and display this AI summary. So the additional features in this Explore page is user can add the favorite search result to the favorite list. Then user also can remove the favorite from the favorite list or in the 3 tabs display. The result display in all 3 tabs can be clickable and it will open in the external browser.
Lastly, the profile page. Here, user can see all the information about their own profile. To edit their profile, they can click on the Manage Profile section to change their profile picture, username, gender, gardening skill, and house type. After done with update, they can click on the Save Change button. Next, if they want to change their password, they can click on the Password and Security section and enter the current password, new password. Next, if they want to know more about this application, they can click on the About Us section. Lastly, Help Center page. They can view this page if they encounter any problem by viewing all the Q&A about this application.
Our market potential and the main target user for Pola are urban farmers who want to grow plants in limited space. Second, home gardeners who want enjoy gardening at home. Third, small-scale farmers who need a simple and efficient planting solution. Lastly, school education garden that use it for education and community activities.